Hi, my name is Avianna Torres, and the first thing that stood out to me in this class was the way that it was set up with the readings. I don't think I'm really used to having to read the course text first and then being prepared to discuss it. I think I'm used to having the class first and then being assigned the reading after. But with this way, I think that it really helped me with the success in my assignments and my overall understanding of the content. Because for me personally, the readings were a little bit challenging and a lot to comprehend all at once. So when coming to the class, I really felt like my ideas were expanded or clarified, and just having the discussions with the teachers and the other students and hearing what everyone had to input into the discussion was really helpful for my understanding, because they would be used for the entire semester with the lesson plan mainly, and also the other assignments. The other thing that stood out for me was the 5E lesson plan and the creation of it. This is my first year working with the lesson plan, and I've done 3 this semester, and they were all very different from each other. But the in-depth creation of this lesson plan was definitely an experience that I will carry with me and remember forever and into my future career. The other 2 lesson plans that I created were not as in-depth. They were done in less time, and they weren't as in-depth with the dialogue, and the procedures were just very brief. But with this lesson plan, I just had a lot of experiences working with co-teachers and peers and going in depth with my teacher talk, and everything needed to be detailed, and I think it was a good experience for practice with creating future lesson plans. Working with the co-teachers was also something that stood out to me. I would have expected to practice on my own, but actually working with others was a really wonderful experience, and I don't think I've had an experience like that before, so it was really fun and exciting and new, and it's something that I hope to take knowledge and experience with me into the future. Thank you.